Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate pause gigs on Fiverr in 2024. So if you are looking for how you can activate your pause gigs, you are at right place. So first you have to go towards my business and then you have to click on gigs. Okay. So when you click on gigs, you will see all of your active gigs and here you will see the pause option. Simply click on it. Here you can see all of your gigs that are not live. So if you want to make it live, simply you have to click here and then click on activate. So first, if you want to edit your gig, you can click here on edit, and if you want to activate it, simply click on activate. So in this way you can activate your pause gigs on Fiverr. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.